Hey everyone, welcome back to Grillin'z. Today we are doing smashburgers, and my son is gonna take a crack at it.
Let's go.
Let's do it. All right, Jax's first time on the Blackstone. Start her up.
Let's see if we get this guy going. Yep, we got some flame. That guy didn't do it yet. There we go.
When it comes to a smashburger, you want the griddle really hot, like 400 degrees. You want to make them patties scabby. Scabby patties. All right, Jax, when it comes to smashburgers, you just need these little round little meatballs.
Okay.
Real simple. And but we don't want to put that on there just yet.
Not just yet. All right. When you're cooking with these things, you always got to get the little down, you know? That's how you do it.
If you know, you know. First order of business is to make our buns. Put that right on top of there. There you go. A little more. We want to toast those real quick. They're probably done. Good and toasted. Smashburgers go really fast, so I like to prep my burger buns first. Then we smash the burgers, put the cheese on there, and just have a place to lay the scabby patty at.
Scabby patties.
Get our little dressing on there. Get our little mayonnaise. We like mayonnaise on our burger. Who else does that? A little bit of ketchup. A little mustard. Onion. Pickles. And tomatoes. All right, so you got your little burger patty in the wax paper.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and set her down there. And here it is. Smash it. Smash it good. Real hard. You want it really thin. Okay. Nice.
Oh,
look at that. Okay, hold on to that. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of steak and burger on this side. Oh yeah. Smash it. Smash it good. Oh, we got a nice little crust on there. Go ahead and scrape those scabby. Okay, flip the spatula upside down. There you go. Now go down. Like that.
Oh, okay.
There we go. We gotta hurry up because these little scabby patties here go fast. This is the second one, so that first one. Okay, go ahead, Jack. Get it real tight there. Okay, go ahead and flip it. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's a beautiful scabby patty right there. Cheese it up.
All right.
Ooh. All right. Stack them.
All right. There we go.
All right, now take it on over there to the bun.
All right.
Ooh, look at that. Smashy burg.
Hey, this.
All right, there we go. We got some smash burgers. Look at that.
Let's go.
There's Jaxon's right there. Get a nice little shot of that there.
Okay.
Smashy burger.
Guy.
All right, we're digging in. First bites. Smash burgers. Jaxon's first time ever cooking on the
Blackstone.
The Blackstone, yeah. So
All right, let's see how this is.
Yep. Oh, Oh boy. Good job.
Thank you. That's delicious.
That is amazing. All right, get your kids off the keyboard. Get out there and cook something.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you next time.